Want the best Hostinger coupon code to save the most money on web hosting? Then don't skip this. Right now, Hostinger is giving up to 83% off on their hosting plans, which is already a massive discount. But here's how you can make this deal even better. If you use my referral link in the description, you'll unlock an extra 20% off on top of that discount. So you're basically stacking offers and getting hosting at a super low price. And that's not the only benefit. You'll also get extra free months added to your plan, meaning you're getting more time without paying anything extra. Now, if you're thinking about risk, there's none. Hostinger gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their service completely risk-free and get a full refund if you're not satisfied. So if you're planning to start a website, blog, or online business, this is the best time to grab this deal. Click the link in the description, activate your discount, and secure your Hostinger plan before this limited time offer ends.